Good morning, everybody. My name is Lisa, and I'm the school manager here at House of Home Bali. I'm very happy to talk to you today about the Wim Hof method. So Wim Hof, as you may know, is also called the Iceman. He has climbed the Mount Everest in shorts. He has run marathons in Lapland by minus 15 degrees, and he can also stay stuck in a pool full of ice cubes for more than 6 hours. So for most of you and me, we can see that he's just a superhero coming out from a comic. But actually, from a scientific research point of view, it's been proven for the past 10 years that the guy simply cracked his own chemistry. And that's what we're going to learn today. And that's what I'm going to try to explain you, is how to tap into your own chemistry in order to strengthen your immune system, in order to boost your immunity, and in order to just focus and make sure that you can overcome stressful situations. So, the first Wim Hof method is based on three main components. The first component is active meditation. We all know that meditation can calm your mind. We all know that you can release stress and anxiety through meditation. But when Wim Hof is actually using meditation, what he's doing is tweaking it into sending a lot of positive energy to his own body and his own mind in order to overcome stressful situations. So for himself, he's just sending himself positive energy in order to climb the mountain. But for you at home, it can just be useful if you meditate every morning to just send yourself positive energy in order to go ahead with your stressful days, with stressful meetings, with an interview, even for going on a date. It's very important to tell yourself, I can and I will. So that's how Wim Hof method use active and focused meditativeness. The second pillar of Wim Hof method is the gradual exposure to cold. So as we said before, he can stay for hours in a ice bath, and while doing this, his body temperature simply doesn't fall. So he's managing his own body temperature. How does it work? We all know that for the past 10 years as well, scientists, athletes are using actually cryotherapy and ice in order to improve recovery, in order to boost performance at sports, and even also to make sure to release stress and anxiety. So it's been proven that if people would take cold shower in the morning, they slowly acknowledge and train their body to be in an uncomfortable position. Why? Because we are used to take warm shower, right? But if you gradually take cold shower in the morning, what happens in your system and what happens in your body? What happens is that you start to very quickly influence your bloodstream. And when you influence your bloodstream, what happens is that you just release and you produce more white blood cells. White blood cells functions are what? White blood cells simply prevent disease and help you strengthen your immune system. So by taking cold shower, by slowly on a daily or weekly basis, you can take a salad bowl, fill it with ice cubes, and start putting your hands inside and just try to keep it there for a minute or two. What happens in this is that you improve your blood circulation and you slowly train your body to tap into his own chemistry and release white blood cells and strengthen your immunity. Alright? Another good benefits, I guarantee if you also start taking cold shower, is to save some water bills. So wake up, take cold shower, and once a week just take a salad bowl, fill it with ice cubes, and just put your hands inside or either put your feet. Stay there for 1 or 2 minutes and you will feel the benefits by itself. Now, the third component of Wim Hof method is breathing. And why breathing? Do you know that even if at the moment everybody is talking about the importance of practicing sports or the importance about having a healthy nutrition, actually oxygen is responsible to remove more than 70% of your body toxins. It helps prevent disease. But that means we need to know how to breathe. And at the moment in our society, with physical awareness and bloggers and Instagrams that just showcase flat belly and abs, we actually don't know how to breathe and only focus on a very shallow breathing, only on your thoracic cage. So what we're going to show today in the breathing techniques of Wim Hof and for any other breathing techniques you can practice at home is how to have a conscious breathing and a full breathing in order to go deeper and slowly train your body to learn how to breathe effectively. All right? Wim Hof breathing technique is also quite specific, and I'm going to explain you first now what are the benefits of it, and then I will show you how to practice at home. How does it work? So, Wim Hof breathing techniques focuses on deep inhalation and full inhalation and only a partial exhalation. What happens when you do a full inhalation and only a partial exhalation? In your body, what happens is that you increase your lung capacity and you increase the amount of oxygen by doing a full inhalation. When you do this, what happens is you increase the amount of oxygen in your body. And as I said before, then the oxygen, you have more oxygen to actually distribute all around your body and your cells and just being more effective into managing your own energy. Now, what happens when you release less, when you do a partial exhalation? When you exhale, you release gas. And gas is as useful than oxygen in the body. So it's important that we fully keep and inhale oxygen, but not fully exhale gas, so that the gas can also go inside the body and keep there. Now, do a full inhalation, a partial exhalation, and the third component of Wim Hof technique is after 45 breaths like this, we will do what we call the retention. The purpose of the retention is to block your body and to access straight away your pineal gland, or whatever we call in Bali as well, your third eye. When you tap into your pineal gland is the reservoir of your own chemistry. It's your own drugstore. There you have all of your hormones, and when you start being on a retention and stop breathing, then automatically your nervous system will start releasing hormones in your body. The same hormone that will prevent disease, the same hormone that will give you emotional bliss, and just you will feel by yourself. Whenever you start doing retention, you might feel some tinglings in your hands, you might feel some tinglings in your feet, you might have sensations all over your body, you might also start releasing some emotions. Some people laugh, some people cry. It's completely up to different people. So the main technique of Wim Hof is based on a full inhalation, a partial exhalation, doing this for approximately 45 breaths, and then after the 45th breath is to hold and stay on a retention as long as you can. When I started, and if you ask me to hold my breath in normal circumstances, I can usually hold my breath for between 30 seconds and 1 minute. When you start doing this breathing exercise, you will be amazed to see that you can easily hold your breath for approximately 1 minute and a half. Why? Because as we said before, you have increased your lung capacity and you have increased the amount of oxygen coming into your body, and then your body is just tapping into this in order to release and send it to your all your organs in order for you to stay safe. So really the technique is about deep inhalation, partial exhalation, and this for 45 breaths. We hold on the 45th breath for approximately 1 minute and a half, or depending on how you're doing it at home. Just whenever you feel the urge to breathe, remember, we don't exhale yet. We do another last shot of inhalation, and we stay there for another 50 seconds. Why? Because again, we're going to tap into the second stage of your pineal gland and release another shot of hormones in your body. And then enjoy the high, to be honest. So we will do this for 3 rounds. As of now, I'm just going to break down the breathing technique. I'm going to lie down. But then at home, what I encourage you to do after this video, if you really want to fully experience the breathing technique, is to search on YouTube and type Wim Hof guided breathing. You will have a full 15 minutes video where you will be able to just practice from home with the full set guided from him. All right? So, how does it work? When we say about deep inhalation, it's really important, as I said before, that in as of now, we need to rewire our body and how we breathe. Why? Because usually we breathe only with the thoracic cage. However, in Wim Hof, you need to start, and if you're at home and if you've never done it before, I encourage you to start by just do belly breathing, because this is the first breakdown of the full inhalation. All right? So just start by slowly and slowly be conscious about how you increase your belly by breathing, just like this. Look. The second stage is to bring your breath to your up and to your thoracic cage. So just start with your belly and bring it up to your thoracic cage like this. And then the third stage is to move from your thoracic cage to your clavicular bones and your neck. So you see how my body is doing some waves? You will see that after practicing for 45 breaths and doing your first round, you will slowly and slowly get your own rhythm. It's very important that you get your own rhythm and that you just follow the wave of your body, just making sure always deep inhalation, partial exhalation, and we go back. And we do this for 45 seconds. If you are used to the breathing techniques, I encourage you to start to breathe with your nose in the inhalation and exhale through your mouth. If it's a bit too hard for you at the beginning, you can just do everything with the mouth only. So let's do an example of approximately 15 breaths. Imagine now I'm on my 45th breath. So on the 45th, as I told you before, the last one we will do a retention. And it's very important that this retention starts on the inhale. So we finish by 44, 45th inhale, and hold. And at that moment, you will start feeling the tinglings in your hands. You will start feeling a lot of different sensations in the body. You will even hear the sound of silence. You will feel some bliss. You will really, really have amazing sensation that's guaranteed. Whenever you feel the urge to breathe, but try to hold it as much as possible. Instead of exhaling, as I said to you before, just take a last shot of inhale. And stay there for another and last 15 seconds. And then release. And we go around again for round 2. As I said to you before, usually in order to have a full experience, it is good to experience 3 rounds like this. And then just stay there and take the time after the breathing rounds and the 3 rounds to just stay in stillness. It's very important that when you start the breathing rounds as well, you just find yourself a comfortable spot. Always you can stay seated and keep your spine straight. Or as I just explained you before, if you want to have the full experience, lay down, because that usually pushes you to go very full into your inhalation, and it's easier if you're a beginner. Never do this, please, when you're driving, when you're cooking, when you have to put your attention to anything else than yourself. Why? Because, again, as I explained you before, you can have some emotional release, and in any case, you just need to have and dedicate to yourself maybe 15 minutes, which is going to be your time, which is going to be where you can practice your active meditation, as I said to you before, where you can also, again, gradually expose your body to cold, and maybe bring a salad bowl or anything you have at home where you can fill it with ice cubes, and then just put your hands or your feet for 2 or 3 minutes, and then finally practicing the breathing technique. All right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you all the best, and namaste from House of Om Bali.